Get them off me! Take the camera! Look at the camera!
Look at your hat! Look at your hat! Look at your hair!
Fuck.
Do it all the caption.
Hey guys!
In these next episodes, we're doing some Europe castle tours.
So, if you like castles and you like medieval shit, then join us now.
We are Birk, Sara and Lazy. We are from Norway, and after we got married this summer,
One ring to hold them there.
and in the darkness bind them. We sold the business and we are now traveling for 1 year in Europe in our van, the Titanic. We're actually bona fide beach bums, but occasionally Birk drags me up in the mountains for amazing views. This is me holding on to a rock for my bare life. Luckily for us, we enjoy each other's company, and here we are, sharing a little from our van life and our adventures.
So what's the most important thing in the morning, baby?
Coffee.
Well, we have had breakfast and the only boring thing sometimes is to do the dishes.
Dishes. But first, you have to look at all of the spider webs outside.
What? Are you kidding me? Se upp över här. It's insane. Workout, baby.
Ready for go?
So let's do this 30-minute workout and then we're going to... What was the castle again?
Spis Castle.
Spis Castle. There's some big ass cows coming down the mountain. And there's a lot of them. There's like no fences in these countries, like Poland, Slovakia.
Looks like they're just out and about.
Yes, out and about. Okay, my love.
The Spis Castle was built in the 12th century. For several hundreds of years, it was owned by kings of Hungary. And that was until 1420 something, and after that it seems like it was still Hungarian families that owned the castle for a couple more hundred years. It was destroyed in a fire in 1728.
Okay.
And I believe that after that no one has lived there. It is now owned by the Slovakia?
The castle?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in Slovakia, yes, so I
Yes,
think they
but-
own it.
Yes, I know they own it, but I don't know from when.
No, but that
But it is a UNESCO
World Heritage,
World Heritage.
and it's one of the largest castles by area, and it's really cool when you come
in
in.
the central of Europe.
In the central of Europe. But it's really cool when you come in here. When we drove, and you can just see it up on the hill. So it's a cool place to go visit. So check this out.
And you get a cool little breeze standing here.
Getting too hot for you now?
That's what she... Nah, sorry, cut that. Watched too much of The Office.
So there is a lot of construction work going on, as you can see in the background here. So they're trying to looks like they're trying to rebuild it and
Make it safe.
make it more safe. Because you can see like there's different layers and shit there of rock. But it's really cool.
Look at this view.
Pretty good, eh?
So what do you think about the castle then, Birk?
It's a pretty good castle, I would say.
How many castles does it get from you?
How many castles?
10 castles?
Is 10 the max?
Yeah.
Okay, I would give
8
it...
out of 10 castles.
I think I would give it 7 out of 10 castles.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it has to be a pretty good castle for you to be super impressed.
Yeah, I think like Romania, where we're gonna go check out the Dracula castle. I think that's gonna be up there, to be honest, just because of the history, you know. But this is really cool. Cannon over there.
It's so cute, the little cannon.
Are you gonna mess with Spis?
Oh, those cannons.
I'll show you a cannon. Or you show me the cannon.
It's over there.
Hello.
Hola.
It looks medieval. Isn't that medieval style?
Yeah, they said it was from the medieval times.
Hmm?
Do you think you would be able to live in the medieval times?
If I could live in the medieval times,
Medieval times?
I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not. I find it highly comfortable to live in our time, to be honest. Should we go up in the tower?
Yeah, we paid for it.
So now we're heading up the castle, and you have to pay €1 extra to get up here. And they said it was recommended if we come all the way from Norway to check this out. So we just paid €1 extra. This looks narrow, eh?
Looks. It is.
What? This is a little bit scary, actually.
A little bit claustrophobic.
Oh, this is so claustrophobic. Yeah, so that was tight. But I'm all right.
One more.
Oh shit.
There's one more.
Oh, it's my head.
Okay, last one. Look at all of the flies.
Yeah, so
I don't want to go out here.
go.
No, look.
Shit. That's insane. Well,
Do you see that?
we paid for that, so let's get in here.
Nei, jeg går ikke ut her.
This is insane. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, fuck. Look at this. Get them off me. Take the camera. Look at the camera. Film me.
Look at your hat. Look at your hat. Look at your hair.
Fuck.
Du, ta av deg kapsen. Ta av deg kapsen. Se.
Oh, Jesus. Let's get out of here.
Ash, you have to take off your backpack. You have to just...
Jesus Christ.
Still think it was a good idea to go out there?
No.
We paid for it, Sarah. Come out.
They're all over the camera as well. You need to go?
Is that the toilet?
Yeah.
Goes
Smells.
all the way. Why does it smell like shit? It's like a shitty odor coming up from under outside.
Okay, we're gonna give the museum a shot, and hopefully there's not gonna be a million flies, because that was insane.
Wait a minute. It's one on the lens. No.
It's one on the lens.
Did you bring your gun?
Torture chair. Cage. Where they put you when you're not good.
I'm not behaving.
Torture table. And somewhere to stretch people when they're possessed.
If you want to not be tortured, don't be possessed. Here we torture. And over here we praise God. It's called contrast.
It looked smaller back in the days.
Even the bed is super small.
Yeah, the bed is super small. Careful. So these rocks are slippery as, yeah, you know.
Slippery as the dolphin's back.
As,
The dolphin's back.
yeah.
They're after the flies, I think. Actually, just got a fly in my mouth. What the heck? What the heck? I'm walking alone now because we were taking some drone shots, and then we put it on follow to follow us while we were walking around the castle. And then the drone kind of just smashed into the wall. So the Spis walls are still functional, highly functional. So what happened in the end? The Spis Castle tour.
We were flying up the drone, trying to get some photos, and then I wanted to try the active tracker. So I've done that a couple of times before, and it's been fine, but it's a little bit unpredictable. So instead of just following us, it started to circle us, and then it just went straight into the castle wall.
So you can say that the castle walls of Spis is still highly functional.
Yes, they're highly functional.
How is it with the drone?
It works still.
It works! Perfect.
Next week, we are still in Slovakia and checking out Spis Castle, which has been an inspiration for fairy tales for many, many years. We also found a hidden well with some potent water. We hope you enjoyed this video. You're welcome to like and subscribe. See you again next Thursday. Bye bye!